the Shoshones, the show bands, the two part of the Paiutes also. I see a lot of men here, out here that I've powwowed with, I sang with. I even danced in that big circle with them.
Jeez.
But we honor the ones that has passed on. We don't dance for that first verse. Again, too, this is an honoring special here for the one that has passed on, a traditional dancer. And we remember that. I know we come from other tribes and they do that too. You know, the Northwest people, they do that. They don't dance that first verse. The wool bonnets, they do the same thing. The East Shoshones, the show bands, the Eastern Shoshones. A lot of tribes, they do that. They honor the ones that has gone on. So at this time, we're going to time the time over. The first song is going to go to Medicine Thunder. Gentlemen, you were instructed what to do. My nephews from Fort Hall, Idaho. And families also from here. The boys are from here. All right, take it away there. Let's give them a big round of applause here, ladies and gentlemen. Walk around, gentlemen. Walk around. That's your first song.